Welcome to our channel. Today, we're gonna do unboxing.
Yeah, like
So this is different snacks from Germany. This is from Universal Yum. Yeah, that's not a sponsor. We bought it. Daddy bought this one.
Daddy bought this one?
Yeah, these are different snacks. This is the first time we're gonna do unboxing. Okay. Okay, here. We're gonna open this. Let's open it now. Here's your toy.
Wait, this button. It is. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
This is Pom Sticks. It's sour cream. No, one by one, please. This is sour cream. Sour cream. Oh, sorry. Now we're gonna check how is it good or not.
Yeah, hope it's good.
This is from Germany.
Somebody.
Do you know your daddy lived in Germany before?
Wait, what?
Yeah.
I didn't live in a
When he was young. Oh, I didn't know we have scissors.
Could I get the scissors?
It's not like American chips that's so easy to open.
There you go.
Here. Try it. Try. Okay, everyone try. How is it? It's sour cream flavor. Here.
Good.
It tastes like the Lay's that you're eating, the vinegar. Sour vinegar, I think.
Yeah, it tastes
Here.
good.
Here.
It's yummy.
Taisi,
Give me some more.
You want more?
Yeah.
How is it, Taisi? You like it? Is it? We're gonna rate it. If you really like it, you're gonna say the higher number. But if you don't like it, you're gonna say like small number. So we're gonna rate it from 1 to 10.
100.
No, from 1 to 10. 10 is the highest. So how will you rate? I rate it maybe number 7.
10.
This how big is the big one.
At 10. 10 is so, I like it. So yummy.
I want to change the location though. I want to sit there. What do you think? To sit there?
No.
Come on. Because the light though. We need the light. Here. Okay, we have more.
Goodbye.
Here. This is the second one.
Bye.
After, we have the savory one. And that's the chips.
That looks yummy. That looks yummy
This
too.
one disconnected. Oh.
Oh, yeah. That
The
one.
microphone is not working. Call. Waffles. Berlin. I don't know how you read it.
Holland.
This is cheesecake. Flavor wafers.
That looks yummy.
Okay, we're gonna try this one.
How this get?
So the younger one already have the chips and he's devouring it. Anak.
Hope it tastes yummy. Force me.
How about?
Oh my god. That tastes so yummy.
Tastes so yummy.
I like feet. They're so yummy.
How about you? Do you think you like it? This for daddy. This one we keep it for daddy. Or for ate. So we have the savory one. That's the second one. The next one is what we're gonna have. Oh my gosh. So there's only one savory. The other one is sweet. Oh, it's a yum bug. This is a yum bug. What's inside? Good things come in small package. This package is specifically as we search the world for the very best yums. We sometimes stumble on smaller treats that are big on flavor but small in size. We gather them up in the yum bug so that you can discover some of the best bite in the world. So what is this then? Oh, you have to rate the wafer first. How do you rate it? I rate it 7. How about you?
10.
10? You like it? How about you?
3.
3? He doesn't like that sweet anyway. Okay, so This is the next one, the Yum Bug. We're gonna try this one. The Yum Bug have 5 different flavor, I think.
I'm not sweet.
So we have the scoreboard. What's gonna this is our scoreboard. So we have, oh, is it different?
No, that's blueberry.
This is salted caramel. We're gonna try. No, we're not gonna try everything. We're just gonna take a bite. Because too much sweet is not good too.
Then I like Sophie's
Okay, we're gonna put
Yum
it.
Bugs.
Okay, we're gonna just take a bite. Mommy first. Then you. Take a bite. The salted caramel. This is how it look like.
It's tasty.
Something's inside. The caramel is inside. What do you think?
10. No,
10?
no, I mean 1.
One?
I don't like it. Really.
You don't like caramel? How about you? Do you like caramel? Because me, I like caramel.
I like you.
You like caramel too?
Yeah,
They also have the apple one. Apple. Okay, this is apple.
Hold that. Tastes yummy.
It look like a gum though.
It looks
But
like,
it's not a gum.
why is it look like that?
Yeah, it like this, so.
It like this too. It looks.
Just take a bite.
Mickey Mouse.
Oh. That's the apple. What do you think?
Why is it?
I don't like it.
I like it.
Really, you like it?
Yeah, it tastes like apples.
One more. There's another one inside this bag. Oh, and I think 2 flavor. More. They have 4 salted caramel flavor. Come on here. Still think. No, that's for Daddy na. So how about this? This is grapes, I think. Ugh. It's kind of mushy. Kind of.
I want to make it.
You want to try?
I
Just
want
bite.
to fight. I just want to fight. I'll take a big bite.
Do you like it? I don't like it. So, for me, it's 2. How about you? 2 also. How about you? What's your rate?
100.
No, 10 is the largest.
10.
Okay, 10. You really like that kind of. So, the next one is...
That tastes like.
This is brownie. This is...
It's chicken fruit.
This is how it look like. I don't know how it's called.
I want to sweet.
We didn't show what's inside the box. Next one is brownies. Do you like brownies?
Yes, I is.
Come on here.
That is.
Yeah, it is.
Whoa.
Whoa.
I just see your head.
Woo. Okay, here. Then, they are higher calories. So, mommy need to exercise. Oh, this is how it look like inside. Yeah.
Inside.
You wanna try different kind of snacks next time? Oh, wait lang. Oh, wait. This is how it look like. It have a tray. And it's 12 pieces. Here you go. Taisi, oh. Here you go. Here you go. Is something inside? That's brownie. More how it's inside. It's fine. Too sweet for me. It's so sweet. You don't like it?
Yeah.
For me, it's 7.
I don't like it.
It's all chocolate. Oh, this is peppermint.
Ew.
Chocolate. And this is, I like cherry chocolate. I don't know. Come on here. Let's try. Can I drink water first? Need to cleanse my
Hi
palate.
guys. My palette here.
Okay, we're gonna try this one. Let's try the peppermint first. Peppermint chocolate. You like candy cane, right?
Candy cane.
Yeah. Remember you eat the peppermint candy cane too? Why you think you're not gonna like it?
That look like real chocolate.
This is how it look like.
Oh,
This is
God.
inside the peppermint. Wait.
Peppermint. Oh my god.
Taisi, oh.
No.
He doesn't like mint chocolate.
I don't like chocolate. Too bad.
We don't mint it.
Bad. Why it tastes like that? I don't like even that hot.
Give me a paper.
It's just gonna
Give me a paper on napkin.
purple.
I don't like it. I'm not a fan of chocolate, mint chocolate.
Me too.
Porta! Let's just try. We're gonna try this again. This is our first snacks review.
Yeah.
This is different. Take a bite. No, take a whole bite. This is a whole bite.
No.
Yeah, I like it.
I don't like it.
They don't wanna try. Oh, I'm the one who will rate it. I will rate it.
I make it 1-0.
It's not bad,
It's really bad.
but maybe it's not just for our palate. So for me it's 5 because there's like a chocolate that the same, and I like that. I like that more. So we have 7 product here. So we have 7 because the other one is 2. The caramel. And what do you want? What do you want like the most?
Guys.
The wafer?
Yeah.
I think this one is his favorite. How about you? What do you like the most? In here. You like the wafer
This
also?
is my favorite. This one will
How about this? I think this is the what I want the most. How about you? How about you? What do you like the most? This one?
Yes. I like this one.
Oh, I like this one. You like this one too? Yeah.
This one will take 100 steps.
They like the wafer. I like this and this. This guy we both like savory. Are you okay? This guy we both like savory. So this, you like this too? This one is good.
I like it. I like it.
So that's it. That's it for today, guys. See you on the next time. We're gonna try to rate another snacks. I don't know which country. Have you tried Philippine snack?
Nope.
Okay. Thank you, guys. Bye. Say bye. Bye.